Can the power of nutrition unlock the secret to naturally shrinking an enlarged prostate? Discover the top 7 tantalizing foods that may hold the key to prostate rejuvenation. Treatment for enlarged prostate can range from making simple changes in lifestyle and diet at home to medication and surgery. Reducing consumption of red meat and eating lots of fruits and vegetables helps in many cases. Note that if there are any symptoms, be sure to see a urologist. Foods useful for the prostate. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats is thought to protect the prostate. Certain foods that are good for the prostate include salmon. Salmon is rich in healthy fats containing omega-3 fatty acids that help prevent and reduce inflammation in the body. Other cold water fish, such as sardines and salmon, are also rich in these types of fats. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that is beneficial for prostate gland cells. Cooking tomatoes, such as tomato sauce or soup, helps release lycopene and makes it easily available to the body. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are excellent sources of antioxidants that help remove free radicals from the body. Free radicals are byproducts of reactions that occur in the body and can cause damage and diseases over time. Broccoli. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables, including bok choy, cauliflower, Brussels sprout, and cabbage, contain a chemical called sulforaphane. This substance targets the cancer cells and helps prostate health. Nuts. Nuts are rich in zinc, a rare mineral. Zinc is found in high concentrations in the prostate and helps balance testosterone and DHT. In addition to nuts, shellfish and legumes are also rich in zinc. Citrus fruits. Orange, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are all rich in vitamin C, which helps protect the prostate gland. Onions and garlic. One study found that men with BPH consumed less garlic and onions than men without BPH. More research is needed to confirm these results, but onions and garlic are healthy additions to most diets. Also, some studies from reliable sources on treatment with herbal extracts, such as the extract of type of a palm tree called saw palmetto and species such as turmeric, have shown that it has a positive effect on prostate size and urine flow. However, more research is needed. So, how was the video so far? If you liked the video, be sure to like it. Also, if you like this type of videos, subscribe to our channel. Harmful foods for enlarged prostate. A healthy prostate diet is more than just eating good foods. In fact, it is very important to avoid other types of foods that are not good for the prostate. Some foods to avoid include red meat. Research shows that a diet without red meat helps improve prostate health. In fact, it is believed that daily meat consumption increases the risk of prostate enlargement up to 3 times. Dairy. Like meat, regular consumption of dairy has been linked to an increased risk of BPH. Cutting out or reducing butter, cheese, and milk can help reduce BPH symptoms. Caffeine. Caffeine acts as a diuretic. It means that it increases the amount, frequency, and urgency of urination. Cutting down on coffee, tea, soda, and chocolate may improve BPH urinary symptoms. Alcohol. Alcohol can also stimulate urine production. Men with BPH may find that their symptoms improve when they stop drinking alcohol. Sodium. High salt intake increases urinary tract symptoms associated with BPH. Following a low-sodium diet by eliminating salt from meals and avoiding processed foods can help some men. Symptoms of prostate enlargement. An enlarged prostate or BPH is relatively common. In 2010, more than 14 million men in the United States experienced symptoms of BPH. Symptoms of BPH include increased urinary frequency and urgency, difficulty starting to urinate, weak flow of urine or dripping at the end of urination, stopping urination, frequent urination at night, incontinence, pain after ejaculation, painful urination, urinary retention or inability to urinate. These symptoms occur when an enlarged prostate gland blocks the urethra. This obstruction makes urination difficult or even impossible. BPH treatment depends on the severity of the symptoms. Sometimes it improves with major lifestyle change. However, there are also medication or surgical procedures that can be effective in reducing the size of the prostate or the symptoms associated with BPH. Ways to improve the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Although dietary changes are very effective in managing some BPH symptoms, other basic lifestyle changes can also have a big impact. Some strategies that can reduce BPH symptoms include stress management, quit smoking, avoiding liquid in the evening to reduce nocturnal urination, complete emptying of the bladder during urination, perform pelvic floor exercises, avoiding medication that worsens symptoms such as antihistamines, diuretics, and decongestant. Limit fluid intake to 2 liters per day. If these lifestyle changes are not effective in improving the condition of the prostate, the doctor may recommend drug therapy or surgery. In addition to regular exercise and healthy diet, be sure to talk to your doctor about regular prostate screenings. Early detection is key, so keep risk factors and potential symptoms in mind and discuss your condition with your doctor regularly. Prostate cancer screening is simple and only involves an office visit, physical exam, and blood test, and is often easily treatable if detected early. Before finishing this video, I invite you to watch our video about how to increase testosterone levels. Like always, if you have any questions or suggestions, we are here to answer them in the comments section. Thank you for watching and be sure to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone you think it could be helpful to them. I'll see you soon.